Been a while since I posted anything, but here's what I do. Our trio disc looks like somebody that's weird, that overlaps. That moved. That moved. Anyways, looks like got hot. I don't know. Pad came off. Or anyways, I've done where I've sat it down and turned it on without any paper or anything on it. Looks like that's what happened. It's like somebody anyways, so I just can get 3 here for 20 bucks. That's what I do. I buy it at Clean Spore Workshop. Thank you, Ashley. I'm trying to get a part number on this. What it is? I don't know. I don't know what that is. Didn't come with any paperwork, I don't think. I don't remember anything. Anyways, kind of hard to find when you're looking through their Clean Spore stuff. It's not, I guess you got to type in velcro. Trying to think what they use it for. It's for more like in the shop, a cabinet shop or a wood shop. They use it for something. I'm not sure. Anyways, I can get 3 out of it. I got to make one up though. As you can see, this one's got an extra piece there, but if you get it cleaned and peeled off, it lasts for a while. So this lasted, I don't know. I think I had a couple years out of it. A couple years. Logger used to. I liked the original Velcro, but everybody complained because it was like too grippy. I liked it, so I'm not a fan of the new stuff. Anyways, I don't know, getting old and I don't change very well. So I'm gonna clean that off, get me a bucket. What I do, some guys try to roll that back. You can't even get this stuff anymore. So right here, I don't even think we can get this in California anymore. But I got a little bit left. I'll clean out that bucket right there. I think that'll work. Let's see here. Let's see if I can take this bucket and get everything out. Wow, got this thing on like HD video. It's super clear. Holy cow. Alright. So, what I'm going to do... I want to go way out. There we go. That's better. Sorry, guys. So... let's see if I can get this. There we go. Let's see. It's probably going to clean up all that goop down there. There we go. Not going to take very much. Doesn't take a whole lot. Oops. Doesn't take a whole lot. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my little thing down in here. Spin it around. Let's see here. Get that to come back down. Spin it around. There we go. Get it on the edges. Sorry about that. And let's see what we end up with. We'll let it sit. I need to get. That might work. I don't know. I need maybe a thinner one. Do I have one over here? Oh, I do. Right here. This might work. It's a thinner one. And most importantly, where's it gonna go? It's a mess. It's a mess. It's alive. It's alive. One, I'll double up. I'll double up a little bit with my gloves. That Jasco likes to eat through stuff. It's pretty damn good. The new stuff, I forget the, let me see. That's Spanish. I'm trying to find, what is the, not telling me the ingredients. Not seeing the ingredients anywhere. I forget. They took out one thing that used to make it like really good. So anyways, so we'll get that cut, and then 1, 2, 3. Then if you want, you can make up another one out of the scraps. Yeah, just barely fits there, but beats like $60 something. I mean, that's $20. So, and it's good for me. Works well enough. I don't know. I can't see spending all that money